Okay, so on video, can you tell us a couple facts about this car, about this monster truck?
The motor is a 540, and it's putting out 1,400 to 1,500 horsepower. The tires are 700 pounds each, standing at 65 inch tall. Runs a 2-speed manual automatic transmission.
I asked the driver if you can drive the monster truck on the street, and he said no because they're too loud, and they don't have any lights in front of the car, and that's it. Oh, and the tires are too big.